welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty if you didn't know already. So in today's video I'll be doing a review and demo for you guys on the new Identity palette from beautybay. And this is their own palette here. They've come out with 3 different ones, so that is really good. So this one I have brought the Identity palette because obviously I wanted a bright red. So I've got palettes, because I've got eyeshadow palettes and literally I don't have like a decent red, so I thought why not go for this one because it does have a decent red in it. So I'm going to open this up for you guys. This is the palette here. As you can see, it's got a massive mirror, which is really, it's quite good quality as well, so that's good. But let's get on with the colours. So literally there's 42 shades here, which is absolutely amazing. Literally I love these two here. These 2 reds are amazing. Oh, as you can see, I do have it now, as you saw on my intro. And obviously it goes, and at the top here it's got numbers 1 to 7 here. And here it's got base, transition, crease, liner, pop and highlight. So literally this palette would be amazing for beginners. So it will tell you like which shades to go on first for your eyes. And yeah, you'll just work your way through it. And yeah, I think it would be very handy, and I'm glad they come out with like their own brand of makeup. And because I've been shopping on beautybay for a very long time, I'm always on their site, like literally stalking their site to see what new stuff is coming out. Just like everything, I'm like obsessed with beautybay. So yeah, this is the 42 shades. They're literally so pigmented. If I show you literally, I'll show you obviously the red. Let's come on. So that is the red there. You can see I've just done one swipe and it's literally pigmented. And the one from underneath is like that. It's so amazing. I literally love it. And on this palette, I do love how they have like the different shades of browns at the top here, which is really nice. You could do obviously like a brown smoky, or like a proper brown smoky out of this. Because you've got all the different shades of browns. You can do your transitions, your base, all in the brown tones, and it will look absolutely amazing. So I would say the different kinds of shades here, I do love the mattes, the shimmers, the metallics, everything. I do love them. They're really good, and for the price it's really amazing. It's £25 for 42 shades. You can't get any better than that. It's like literally amazing. I love it. So yeah, this is this palette, and I'll be definitely getting the other 2 palettes that they have out there, which are Evolve and Origin, which I would definitely get. I absolutely adored this palette, so why not get the other 2? So yeah, so I'll be transferring over to my demo now so you can see this eye look that I've done with this palette.